Hello and welcome back to the Code Shop channel. In today's video, we're exploring how to manage different customer addresses in Odoo 18, specifically invoice and delivery addresses. Many businesses work with customers who have multiple locations, like an office, a warehouse, or a billing department. This feature helps you associate different addresses with a single customer, ensuring that deliveries go to the right place and invoices reach the correct recipient. It's a simple setup, but it can really help avoid errors and delays. So let's dive right in. First, we need to enable this feature. Open the accounting app, then go to Configuration, Settings, scroll down to the Customer Invoices section, and enable the option called Customer Addresses. Once that's done, click Save, and we're ready to start assigning different addresses to a customer. To do that, go to the Customers menu, and open an existing customer, or create a new one. In this example, I'll use Deco Addict. Under the Contacts tab, you'll see all the associated contacts and addresses for this customer. As you can see, I've already added an invoice address. Now let's create a delivery address. Click the Add Contact button. This opens the Create Contact form, where you can select the type of address you want to add: invoice, delivery, other, or just a general contact. We'll choose delivery, then give it a label and name it something like Deco's delivery address. But in a real-world scenario, you might use the name of the person responsible for receiving shipments. Next, you can fill in their email, phone number, and the delivery details, like street, city, state, and zip code. When you're done, click Save and Close, and the new address will appear under the customer's contact list. You can repeat this process to add more addresses or contacts. There is no limit. Just add as many as needed, depending on your customer structure. Now let's switch over to the Sales module and create a new quotation. When you select a customer, Deco Addict in our case, you'll see that both the invoice address and delivery address fields are automatically filled in based on the information we entered earlier. Next, let's go ahead and add some products. Once that's done, let's confirm the sale and move on to the delivery order. Here you'll notice that the shipment is set to go to the delivery address we specified. So let's click Validate to confirm the delivery. Now let's go back to the sales order and click Create Invoice. We'll choose a regular invoice and click Create Draft. The invoice will automatically use the invoice address we set on the customer's record. All that's left is to confirm the invoice and process the payment. And that's it. That's how you manage multiple customer addresses in Odoo 18. This small but powerful feature keeps your sales and accounting operations organized, ensuring deliveries and invoices always go to the right place. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Odoo tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.